Whoa! Oh, look at what it is! This is a motorcycle! And today, you and I are gonna learn about motorcycles! Woo! Ooh, hello! Ooh, this motorcycle is so magnificent! Do you want to know why I like motorcycles? Because they have 2 wheels and tires. Whoa! 1, 2. Let's look at the front one. Wow! Look at it spin! Whoa! Whoa! Let's go to the back wheel and tire. Whoa! Look at this back wheel and tire. Wow, look at it spin. Wait a second. Do you see what I see? Yeah, it's a person. Let's go meet him. Come on. Hello.
Hey there.
What's your name?
Hunter Yoder. What's yours?
Ooh, my name's Blippi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Ooh, is this your motorcycle?
Yep, it sure is.
Whoa, what do you do with it?
I get to practice on these cool tracks and get to race all around the country.
Whoa, you get to race motorcycles?
Yep.
So that means you're really fast?
Yeah.
Whoa, will you teach me how to ride motorcycles?
Sure, Blippi.
Awesome. All right, meet you out on the track.
See ya.
Did you hear that? Hunter Yoder is gonna teach me how to ride motorcycles. I am so excited. Let's go. All right, I am so excited to ride. But first, before we ride, we need to inspect the motorcycle. Come on. Whoa, as you know, this is the front wheel and tire. Whoa! And it's connected to the front suspension, which then gives when you go over big bumps and rocks. Whoa! Whoa! And look down here. This is the front brake, and that is the disc that the brake crunches to stop. Wow. Ooh, and the front fender, so then you don't get mud and stuff in your face when you're riding. Wow! Whoa! Ooh, and look at this. This is the gas tank. This is where you put in all of the gas. Hello? All right, let's close that back up. All right, nice and snug. Ooh, and look down here. Whoa, this is the engine of the motorcycle. Wow, it looks so powerful. Hey, we should turn on the motorcycle. All right, okay, check this out. This is the start button. It's kind of like the key in a car, but you have no key. You just push the button. Listen. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa, do you hear that? A lot of the sound of the motorcycle comes from the muffler, and the muffler is where all of the exhaust comes from. Whoa! All right, come here. This is the throttle. When you turn this is what provides all the power to the engine because fuel goes into the engine. Listen. Whoa, so loud! Let's turn it off for now. All right, and look, that throttle, and this over here, these are the hand grips. This is where you steer the motorcycle from. And then you have your front brake right here. Yeah, that's what I showed you earlier. The front brake. This is how you control it. You just pull it in. And then the clutch. Yep. Ooh. Yeah, let's see what else there is back here. Oh, hey. Foot pegs. This is where you rest your feet. And right next to this right foot peg, there is the rear brake. See? you push it with your foot, just like in a car. Wow. Ooh, and back here, this is the rear suspension right in there. It's kind of hard to see. Looks like a spring. Ooh, and check this out. This is the rear wheel and tire. Ooh, and do you see these knobs? Whoa, look. These little knobs right here. This is called the tread of the tire. It goes in the dirt and grabs everything in its path, so then it doesn't slip and slide. Whoa! All right, now let's go ride. Woo! Now that we inspected the motorcycle, it's time to ride. Rim, rim, rim! Let's go! Oh, yeah! What a beautiful day it is to ride. Got the sun shining, the wind in my face. Yeah, I'm ready. Huh, wait a second. Am I forgetting something? Oh, how could I have forgotten? The safety equipment. All right, let's put the kickstand down. Whoa, yeah! Wow, I almost forgot the safety equipment. Whoa! Woo! Check me out. Whoa! Yeah, I have my helmet on, which keeps my head safe. Ooh, and look, my goggles, which keep my eyes safe while riding. Ring, ring, ring! Ooh, my sweet top. Yeah, it's a nice orange shirt. Ooh, and some nice gloves to keep my hands safe. Ooh, my pants. Yep, gotta wear pants while riding. And my boots. Yeah. All right, now we're ready to ride. Motorcycles, they're so much fun. All right, here I come. Did you see that? I love riding motorcycles. Whoa. Hey, will you check this out with me? Yeah, let's check out the colors. Okay, so first, as you can see, I am wearing the color orange. Woohoo! And I have a little bit of blue. See? But let's check out the motorcycle. Come here. Whoa. This motorcycle has the color red on it. Whoa! It's so pretty. And it has the color white on it. And black. Ooh. And do you see another color? It's really shiny. Yeah! It's silver. Whoa, silver kinda looks like gray. Whoa! All right. Let's continue to ride the motorcycle.
This is my Honda CRF 150R. It has a cool engine package and tuned up suspension that's set up just for me, so I can race around the whole country and go super fast on the tracks. And this is all done by Factory Connection Amsoil Honda.
Woo-hoo-hoo! And today I am riding a CRF 230F. It's pretty rad. I love it. All right, Hunter, you ready to race?
Yes, Blippi.
All right, here we go. Start your engines. All right, red, yellow, green.
My favorite part about riding dirt bikes is jumping big jumps like that. Riding dirt bikes is a fun sport because you can do it with your parents, your siblings, your cousins, anybody. And you can choose to ride in the desert where it's open and free, or you could come to a track like this and race against other people and see who will come out on top.
And my favorite part about riding motorcycles is not falling. Whoa! I sure do love riding motorcycles. Whoa! See this motorcycle? It's really big! Whoa! And this motorcycle is really small. The great thing about motorcycles is even someone like you can ride it. Let's go. This is what I call a wheelie. Whoa! I really enjoyed learning about motorcycles with you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Let's spell my name together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job!